Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be making a simple, basic vinyl t-shirt. I needed a little pick-me-up, so this is what we're doing today. All right, so I will leave the link in the description box below for the creative fabric design that we're using. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please consider smashing that like button, that subscribe button, checking out all of the other content on the channel, sharing out the video, leave me a comment because I do love interacting with y'all. For my returning members and subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back. All right, y'all. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into this thing, okay? So what I am going to do is I have uploaded, so let me show you. Let me close out Cricut Design Space. All right, so I'm going to share my screen. All right, so I'm sharing my screen. I'm getting ready to open up Cricut Design Spaces in the background. But for right now, this is the design from Creative Fabrica that we're using, and I'm going to link that in the description box below, okay? All right, so here is Cricut Design Space. Most of us know how to bring in a design in Cricut Design Space. If you do not, please go back and watch one of my other videos, or if you still need help, I will be more than happy to help you then. Okay. All right, so I've already uploaded the design. I'm just waiting on the canvas to open up. I'm going to hit on upload on my left hand corner right below, right above monogram. Okay, this is the design we're going to use. We're going to hit add to canvas. I am using a small Bella canvas shirt, so we don't want this design to be too big, right? So we're going to try and make it right at about maybe 10 and a half inches. Right there, 10.49 is pretty good, and that is at 100%. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to ungroup this. All right, this right here on the trusting, I want it to be in puff on a different color. Okay, and it's kind of a gold looking color. Okay, so these two right here will be in black, and we're going to use our Cricut Venture for that. So we're going to hide those. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this part of the project. We're not going to worry about saving it. I don't know. I guess it makes you save it. All right, so we're going to save it. All right. It's going to connect to our Cricut Explorer Air 3. We are going to use a 12 by 12 mat. Okay, I'm going to use a 12 by 12 mat because we are using the puff for this color. Make sure you have it mirrored. I'm going to hit continue. Now, once I have everything cut, I'll be back and we will finish. I will show you what this project is going to look like, or once our cuts look like. Okay. Stop sharing. And I'm going to come back to you guys right here. And I'm going to pause. Okay, y'all. So I am back with all of our parts. So this part will be the puff. So it's been weeded. And I cut these two pieces, the black pieces, out on the Cricut Venture. And then I cut the gold piece out. And y'all, this is called Champagne Gold Puff from TekWrap Craft, okay? But you can get the same kind of puff vinyl and color from Atlanta Vinyl as well. And I have linked them in the description box below as well, okay? All right, y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to press this shirt because you have seen this a million and one times, and I don't want to bore you guys. So, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and make our shirt, and I'll be back when it is finished being pressed. Okay, y'all. So I am I'm pressing this at 310 degrees for 10 seconds, okay? And let's just say, baby, that puff is puffing, okay? So now what I'm about to do is line these two pieces up, and I won't press, I definitely will not press it long, okay? I'm going to press it for 10 seconds as well, okay? I'm pressing the black at 310 for 10 seconds, as well as the um the puff, okay? And so far, I am loving this shirt. I don't know how well you guys can hear me because I kind of got cameras in different rooms, but we're trying to, I'm trying to work it out. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, like this is super cute. Okay. And I don't want the trusting like directly on top of the black part because I want, want it to stand out with the separation. I'm going to go ahead and press this black part really, really quick for 10 seconds. Um, Actually, you grab a Teflon sheet. Okay. Again, 10 seconds. Okay? I know y'all see all the yarn kind of in the way, but I got to do these orders of options. Okay? Alright. I'm going to let this cool down a little bit. I'm going to turn that off and unplug it. Why? Because we don't want that tripping. I'll show you what you look like. Oh, oh, oh. I'll keep going. Put it down. It's not on. So, but I'm gonna get it done. Alright, that should be well more than enough. Okay, so I'm gonna turn that back on, and I'm gonna put a crystal pillow in the back part. That and I'm going to put it right there. Oh Jesus. I'll just put the pressing pillow up under it and turn it back on so we can sense it. You know, I want to look up of this button not play. Oh, oh my God. Okay. Okay. Woo. We got it all off. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off. And I'm gonna show y'all what we're looking like. And if I'm gonna say so myself, we're looking beautiful. Look at that hub, okay? Let's look at that hub. OMG. Okay? Alright, so I'm gonna pause it and go back to the other camera. I just want to okay, y'all. I'm glad I gave y'all where y'all could see me press it. I went on and hooked up the other camera. I'm so glad. Okay. So let me take y'all from looking at the from looking at all that not vinyl, all that yarn that I got. Y'all, this is so cute. It's simple, but it is making a bold impact and statement. Okay. So a text shirt. Yes. And guess what? We wearing this to work tomorrow. Yes, we are. Okay. All right. Super, super cute. I like how that project came out. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with your girl. I really appreciate it. Happy Sunday to you all. I go back to work in the office for the next 9 weeks tomorrow. So it will probably be challenging to get content up, but I have started a podcast on domestic violence. Okay. So go over to Hey Let's Chat with 2 T's, and we are going to dive right into it. I got about 12 more hours before I can upload on that channel because you have to request. So make sure you go over there, like and subscribe. We're going to get into domestic violence, what domestic violence is, and all of the things. And we're gonna talk, okay? We are going to break the silence, okay? All right, guys. So until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. Bye, y'all.